Today we're going to be setting up your Works Cited page. First thing you need to know is the title of a Works Cited page must be centered at the top of each page, and it must be all capitalized. So center your Works Cited title. At this point, do two more things. Number one, go over here to this icon, which is your line and paragraph spacing, and make sure to set to double space, because you double space everything that you turn into me, and definitely leave your Works Cited page double spaced. And then you can go back to left justify. Now, the Works Cited page is using what's called a hanging indent. The easiest way to set up a hanging indent is to make sure the ruler feature is engaged. So if you do not see it, as you obviously see it is not engaged right now, go on up to View and turn on the ruler. As you can see, this page has been set up for a hanging indent. If it is not the icon, the ruler will look like this. Mouse over this bottom icon, you'll see the text box pops up that shows you hanging indent. Left click and hold and drag over 1/2 inch. Now, the typical source that you will use in this class is an article from a newspaper or magazine. So I'll set up the general template for that. At this point, you want to start with the last name and the first name of the author who wrote the article, period, and then give the title of the article from the magazine. Notice that it is in quotation marks. Then you give the title of the magazine. Now note that the title of the magazine, not in quotation marks, is going to be italicized. So you need to have the home feature back up, italicized title of the magazine. Then you will need the day, month, and year of publication of the magazine in that order. Double space after a colon, give the page or pages on which your article appears. And the final note is you will give what's called the medium of publication. If you had the actual printed magazine, this would just say the word print. If you did not and you found the article online, then you would just write the word web. But if you use the web, you would also need to indicate the access date, also in day, month, and year format. That's a general template for how to set up your Works Cited page.